everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am going to do this spider makeup tutorial, which honestly doesn't really require a costume. I would honestly just dress all in black. Yeah, this is what I decided to do today since I'm trying to film as many as I can. So I just decided to do a quick and easy spider look. So yeah, if you guys like this makeup look and would like to know how I did this, and just follow along with me if you want to do this for Halloween, then please keep watching and we will get right into the video. Alright, so the first thing that I'm going to do is apply a paint pot, and this is called Quite Natural, and I'm going to use that as the base for the eyeshadow, so pretty much for the black smoky eye. Alright, so now that I have the base down, I'm going to start on the smoky eye. Alright, so for this look, you're pretty much just going to need something that's a little bit lighter than the black and a black. And that is for the whole look. And, well, the white is going to be little accents on the spiders. But for the smoky eye, I'm going to pretty much just be using the deepest black that I can find in my collection, and also something a little bit lighter on the upper crease of the eye, just so that it looks faded upwards. So I'm taking a deep gray color and I'm going to apply it to the upper crease as if this were my blending shade. Alright, so now to pack on the black, I'm going to use this large shader brush, and I'm going to take the black. I'm pretty much just going to pack it onto the eyelids, and it's fine if it goes a little bit above since we're going to blend it upwards anyways. Alright, so now that that's on, we can go into blending it out even further. So I'm just going to take the same brush I used the first time, and I'm going to go in circular motions. Alright, so now I'm going to take my dark brown eyeliner since I can't find my black one, and I'm going to line the bottom lash line. And now I'm going to blend it out. Alright, so now on top of that, I'm going to apply the black. Alright, so now I'm going to begin to draw the spider legs as they would go. So I'm going to use my Makeup Forever Flash palette, And I'm going to begin drawing out the legs. So a spider has 10 legs with the front ones on the, I guess you would call them mouth. They have smaller ones in the front, and then they have the other big ones on the outer edges. So we're going to start. So I think I'm going to begin with the front part ones since they are smaller, and they don't have to be perfect. They pretty much just have to like mimic the shape and the bends of the spider legs. Like that. And now I can go in with the bigger ones. That's pretty much the front legs. I bent this leg way too much, so I'm going to try to like round it out right there. Thinking of drawing the other leg going this way instead of this way. And now for the final leg on the outer part, we're going to go more over here and now for the bottom legs. I'm not happy with that foot or that feet right there, but I guess we're gonna have to make it work. So now I'm going to wipe off the black and so that I can dip it into the white and pretty much add the white, which is going to make it look a little bit more 3D, like it's standing up versus just flat or bent. So right here I added a little bent, so I would draw it there. Now there's another one right here, so we add another one there. Right here. Alright, so now that we have the white, we're going to go in with a black eyeshadow and pretty much draw the what would be the shadows so that it looks like it's raised upwards. So you're pretty much going to kind of follow the line and connect it to the very edge, to the very tip of the leg. Like that. So I'm going to go ahead and finish the other eye and I will be right back. Alright, so now I want to do like a dark vampy lip as well. So I'm going to outline my lips with Cyber World by MAC. And this is a really pretty deep plum purple shade. As you can see, I shaded in the outer corners of the lip. And what I'm going to do, and it's going to look really pretty, is I'm going to add this lipstick by Anastasia Beverly Hills. It's one of her bullet lipsticks and it is called Resin. And that's what it looks like. I love this lipstick. So this is the final makeup look, and yeah, this is what I decided to do for today's Halloween tutorial. This is like a really quick, easy Halloween tutorial. So yeah, I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. And if you did, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!